In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to restore your deleted messages on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and then go to your activity. Now scroll down and click on this option that says download your information. Tap on request a download. Select your Instagram account and click on next. Then click on the second option, select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages on Instagram, therefore select messages and click on next. And then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted messages on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted messages on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.